Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're focusing on how to redeem codes in Asphalt Legends Unite. If you want to grab those awesome rewards, this video is for you. Now, let's get into it. So, here's a quick guide on how to redeem your codes. Open the game, which is simply launching Asphalt Legends Unite on your device. Tap on the settings icon located in the upper right corner of the screen. Find the redeem option in the settings menu. Look for the redeem button and tap it. This will take you to a redemption site. On the redemption site, enter your player ID in the designated field and click verify. Enter your redeem code into the provided text box. Make sure it's not yet expired. Click confirm to instantly receive your rewards in this game. Now, for a pro tip, for a smoother experience, it's best to redeem codes directly from the game. This way, your player ID is automatically filled in and you avoid extra steps. That's it for today. If you find this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe for more updates. Drop any questions or comments below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Happy racing!